Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my hair from wet. Yes, I've just washed my hair and I used a new shampoo from Cantu called the sulfate free cleansing shampoo, cream shampoo, that's it. And it's a very creamy shampoo when you use it, but it leaves your hair so clean, so soft, so manageable, and I really love it. I got some hair in my mouth, but I really like using it. I got a sample from an event I went to, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this. I definitely recommend it to you guys. Try it out. So I'm going to be using today the mango and lime island oil in my hair. After washing it, my hair's still a bit damp, so I go ahead and use the little applicator thing. I really love this because you can get a decent amount of oil out, and it's not going to get your hair too greasy, and it's not going to be running down your neck too much like some oils do. And I do this when my hair's down because it gets to get distributed in my hair very well, and I can, I just feel my hair soaking it up, and it is so nice. It smells so good. So what I like to do, I do one side at a time, and then I go on to the next side, and then I re-oil my scalp. So after that, I will go ahead and use a wrap. I like to use just a normal scarf, and I just wrap my hair up. And I'll show you just a quick and easy way I do this, so that all the oil can just soak into my hair and leave my hair feeling nice and refreshed before I style it. And all I do, I just wrap it around and I make a little bow in the front, as you can see, and then I just tuck it under and I just leave my hair like that for the rest of the day. And when I take it out the next day and I style it, it will be nice and refreshed and not drying, smelling good and everything. I just love it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any recommendations, or would you like me to try on any products, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys again in another one.